In this video, I'm going to show you how to add latitude and longitude in Google Earth Pro. So there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of them. Now, the first one is to actually manually find a single coordinate. Now, you can do this by actually, for example, going to the top left over here where it says search, extending it, and you can basically type in some coordinates and click on search. And of course, it's going to go to that specific coordinate, okay? So I just typed in some example coordinates, and as you can see, it's going to pin them on the screen over here just like this. And of course, you'll be able to get directions, see your history, you'll be able to fly there, save it, whatever you want to do, okay? And of course, you can do this for many different places. So if I went and did like this over here and then search over here, it's gonna go to a different part of the world over here, and that's going to basically get pinned over here, okay? So that's how you can do this. That's the first way to add latitude and longitude. The second one is to basically manually add place marks. So we can just find a place, for example, like over here, and you can drop this on. So over here, you can see add place mark. You can drop it wherever you want it. You can give it a name, and then you can add latitude and longitude in here as well, okay? Of course, you can then style it, give it whatever color you want, etc., and click on OK, and you are good to go. And of course, what you could also do is import like a batch of coordinates using like a CSV file or something else, and that's going to work as well. I do have a separate video on that, so make sure you go check it. It's quite simple, but I do have a separate tutorial because it requires quite a few steps. So those are kind of the ways to do this, the easiest ones. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.